Local news for Wednesday the 15th of August. 2 public meetings have been held and plenty of suggestions received as the NZTA looks for public feedback on making State Highway 2 between Carterton and Masterton safer. Public feedback is now available to be given online via the NZTA website, with feedback closing on the 31st of this month. Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern is in the region tomorrow. Ms Ardern will attend several events at the likes of Breecraft and the Copthorne Hotel, Solway Park. Primary school teachers across the region are on strike today, and this after voting overwhelmingly in June to reject the latest ministry offer. A rally at the town square of Masterton will take place at 12 noon. And in sport, congratulations to 2 Dalefield hockey players, Catherine Van Workum and Michael O'Connor, who have been selected for the Capital Women's Hockey team in the National League. And Gavin Hodder for rugby, who's been reappointed as the Heartland Under-19 manager.